Do we help for selfish or selfless reasons? Now that you know more about our motives to help, let's consider whether pro-social behavior tends to be selfish or selfless. The evidence provided by social psychologists suggests our motives tend to be selfish in nature. That is, we usually stand to gain something from helping, even if we aren't aware of the benefits of helping. Selfless reasons are more likely when we're focused on other people's needs instead of our own. These motives are usually short-lived, though. They may not be enough to motivate us through the personal costs associated with helping over extended periods of time. Selfish motives keep us going when the costs of helping are high. In some situations, we help for both reasons. Donating and volunteering, for example, provide benefits to both the volunteer and the person or organization receiving the help. According to Batson's empathy-altruism hypothesis, altruistic motives are produced by feelings of empathetic concern and compassion for a person in need. Here's a depiction of this model. It begins with the perception that someone needs help. When we adopt the person's perspective, we experience empathetic concern, which produces altruistic motives, which leads us to help, regardless of whether we can escape or not. When we don't adopt the other person's perspective, we don't experience empathy. Instead, we experience personal distress, which produces egoistic, selfish motives, which leads us to focus on helping ourselves and reducing our own distress. This is especially true if there's an escape route, if we can leave the situation and avoid it altogether. This makes it easy to fulfill our desire to reduce our own personal distress instead of helping the other person. Out of sight, out of mind. You should now be more familiar with our motives for helping. In the next section, we'll explore who is more likely to be the helper and who is more likely to the one receiving help from others.